Okay, this is just like a show off of my ice fishing rods that I have with me. I have some other ones at other places, but it doesn't really matter. My first one is a little ugly stick. It's the Shakespeare Ugly Stick Pro Ice. It's pretty light. The reel works really good. It already comes with some string on there. I had to duct tape some. But then the spring bobber that I'm using is this little yeah, I forgot what it's called, but it works very good. It's very hypersensitive. Like if I just, yeah, it works really good. And then I also have another spring bobber on another thing, but don't worry about that. Oh, and also the little jig that I'm using is a little pink jig with a little grub. I haven't tried it yet. I have to. So this jig is not proven yet. This is my little, I don't know what you want to call it, but I use this pole for just oh, it really has. This one is it's called the Neon Ice Extreme. I'm not sure where you get this. I just found it laying around at my house, so I just put like a little jig on it. Nothing too pretty. I didn't even paint it yet. Then I also have the bobber that we made on another video. Then the same spring bobber, except this one's a little smaller, so I duct taped it. Then the reel is okay. I wouldn't really. It's just like buying one. But okay, so those are my two ice fishing poles that I have currently at my house. Nothing has a really fancy setup, but this one I had to say was about $15 to $20. I think I tried looking them up online. So this one's about $15 to $20. This one was about like $30. That one came with the Neon Ice came with the reel and the pole. This one was a combo too. It came with the reel with the string on the pole, and obviously the pole. However, it did not come with the spring bobbers. Neither did that one. This one did not come with the string either, or it might have. I'm not sure. Those are my two ice fishing poles that are actual store-bought. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Comment, like, dislike, share, whatever. Subscribe, don't really care. Just please do one, and I'll see you later. Peace.